IoT is transforming business and rapidly increasing technological demands. To push business forward, we need new processors optimized for high-performance computing. Introducing 11th Gen Intel Core processors. New silicon enhanced for the IoT needs of today and tomorrow. By combining CPU, GPU, and AI, these processors deliver breakthrough performance in a low-power platform while consolidating multiple workloads. They include high-powered Intel Iris Xe graphics equipped with up to 96 execution units, so you can stream, process, and analyze multiple video channels simultaneously. And 2 video decode boxes allow the capture of up to 40 1080p streams. These 11th Gen processors include the next leap forward in AI acceleration, delivering AI inferencing and computer vision in a single architecture. And real-time computing minimizes cycle times and latency for edge applications, making it ideal for time-critical performance. 11th Gen processors are specifically designed to meet the IoT demands of commercial and industrial applications. IoT is shaping the business needs of today. And together with the 11th Gen Intel Core processors, you can build the business solutions of tomorrow.